remember when I wrapped the bike the same color as my car? Look at that. It literally matches the wrap. Anyways, what's up guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today is the day, as you guys see by the title and thumbnail. Sad, maybe not so sad. I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you guys sad that this is happening? Or are you guys actually happy that this is happening? I'm actually very curious to know. But anyways, as you guys see by the title and thumbnail, I think today is the day that we are putting the 350Z up for sale, guys. I really wish I could just keep it, but honestly, I don't drive it, guys. And I think it deserves to go to a home where someone's gonna actually appreciate the Z, take it to car meets, go do stuff with it. Because I just haven't made any content with it, guys. I have no motivation. As you guys know, I want another BMW on the channel. And also, like I said this in the last video, but for my YouTube channel, I feel like the BMW content actually does better on YouTube. A lot of you guys want me to get another BMW and make BMW content. And the Z is just not cutting it, bro. I've made a couple videos with it and it's just not doing too good on YouTube. So I think we're gonna sell it. Really, really clean, guys. Like, it's sick. I'm kind of sad I'm gonna sell it. I think when the time comes and it leaves away and someone buys it, I'm gonna be pretty sad. But I'm gonna post it for 15 or best offer. I'm looking around, looking at all the Z's online. I know that might be a little high, maybe a little too low. I don't know. What do you guys think this Z is worth? But and there's so many Z's that are clapped out, bro. This is definitely not clapped out anymore. When I bought it, it was clapped out, but now it looks really clean with the brand new wrap, brand new headlights that literally only got used maybe like twice outside, brand new Conce wheels, brand new coilovers on the car. It has a lot of brand new parts, guys, so it's really, really clean. Brand new bumper as well. Oh yeah, and a brand new exhaust. I totally forgot. Brand new ISR performance exhaust, the whole entire exhaust. So this car is not bad, actually. It has pretty decent parts on it. The Conce wheels are obviously my favorite. I'm kind of sad to sell the car and let these wheels go. I kind of want to just keep the wheels. I've been looking online, like I said, and so many of these are clapped out. Some of them are even automatic or convertibles. This is what people want. It's an HR 2008 stick shift, and it's also very, very clean with some really tasteful mods. So I think 15 is a pretty good price. If anyone's in the market for a 350Z, let me know. Comment down below or DM me. I'm trying to sell the Z, guys. It's for sale. Send it to any homies that want a Z. Right now, we're about to wash it, guys. I'm gonna vacuum it, wash the engine bay, wash the whole exterior so I can take some pictures for the for sale pictures, obviously. NRG steering wheel and quick release. We got a shift knob on here, all these carbon fiber accents. It's really clean. I'm gonna sell it with the stock seats as well because I think the black interior just looks a lot cleaner. I repainted all these things, so all the black is all painted black, brand new. Let's get it washed real quick. Huh?
He's filling himself in that car.
Hugo's driving David's car. He's filling himself on. That's the move though, guys. We're selling the Z and we're getting a BMW, I promise. The only downside is the windshield is cracked, but I mean, windshields are hella cheap. I got a quote for like 80 bucks, bro, to fix the windshield. I just haven't had the guy come do it, but look, guys, it's clean. Carbon fiber. Has a brand new starter, so it actually works. The air works, the heater works, everything, bro. It's actually a clean Z. Now I'm kind of regretting it now that I'm talking about it. Probably should just keep it on and have an F82. Damn. Now I'm stressed, bro. I stress myself out, guys, so much with cars. Guys, look how clean the car came out. Now I don't want to sell it, bro. David cleaned the engine bay way too clean. The wheels, the tires. This car looks mint, bro.
Mint, brethren.
Interior's looking clean. Sheesh. Cool little project, bro. I mean, it's pretty much almost done. Whoever buys this car can actually finish what I wanted to do. Make it a drift car, whatever you want to do. Right now, it looks like a show car, bro. I was telling the guys, I was like, bro, this shit literally could be in a show right now. The way it's looking with the engine bay like this. I'm gonna vacuum the inside, but look, the interior looks pretty clean. This looks fire, bro. Damn, guys, I'm kind of sad to see this thing go, bro. It's super clean right now. Dude, that car wash made it look 10 times better. So I don't know, it is sad, but it was fun to experience for a bit. I should have probably drove it more than I did, but on to the next, guys. New project car, new goals for the channel. And I think getting a BMW again is only gonna benefit this channel a lot better. So back in the BMW we go, bro. guys? You're watching another video. We are putting gas in the GTR. Nothing new here. I wish someone could go back and make a whole like montage of all the times I put gas in my car. Every single vlog I pump gas, bro. But anyways, today we are gonna do some maintenance on the GTR. Oh, what are we at? 40 bucks. It's not that bad. But yeah, we're about to head to the homies at PQ Performance. I haven't been there in a long time. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for me to meet up with the guys at PQ again. I haven't seen him in a long time. Or Jay, bro. I haven't seen Jay in forever. He hasn't been in any of the vlogs. My boy's been traveling lately, but he's finally back and we're about to make some vlogs today. I gotta do an oil change on the GTR. I'm actually pretty behind, bro. I try to do it every 3,000 miles and we're way over that. So we're gonna go to PQ right now, do an oil change on the GTR, maybe check up everything else, make sure everything's good, and just kick it with the boys, see what we get into tonight. I'm sure we're gonna find some cool things to do. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now, and let's get to the vlog. Let's go. We're here right now, waiting for the homie Jay to pull up. He should be pulling up any minute now. We are in the GTR. We got my daily vitamins. Where are they at, bro? Oh, they're right here. My breakfast, lunch, and dinner right here. I eat so bad, guys, but I have been going to the gym. I don't know if you guys have watched Hugo's vlog. Go watch Hugo's channel right now. If you guys are not subscribed, go subscribe to his channel. But yeah, we went to the gym in his vlog. If you guys want to see me struggle at the gym, go watch Hugo's video. But this is probably not helping off. Whatever. My last cheat meal. Just kidding. Look who it is. My boy is slappy, bro. G80 boys. Must be nice. No way, bro.
NRC vibes. Too shiesty.
But I haven't seen Jay in so long, dude.
I miss you.
I know, you've been everywhere, huh? I know.
So dirty.
It's not that dirty. Oh! Ow! Jay's mask off, bro. I need a mask, guys. Should I make some FindingNick push icy mask? Who would rock one, bro? Who would actually buy one? I swear I'll make some with the little FN logos on it. Should be hard on. Should look hard, bro. I still. Alright, guys, we made it to PQ. Look at the moon. We made it to PQ late night, but they're still gonna get me in and do an oil change for me. As always, look at this. They got all the fastest BMWs out here. Sheesh. Hard, bro. Jay's getting new wheels right now. I'll let you guys know. I'll ask him if he wants to show you guys on the vlog or he wants to wait. I don't know, but look at this, guys. PQ, they actually picked up a GTR. This is theirs right here, the shop car. It's not done yet, but it looks sick. Damn, bro. It's like a pink and Nosatec color. I wanted to do this color in my E92 a long time ago. But it looks pretty cool on a GTR. Look at this, guys. These are the wheels that are gonna go on.
305s? 305, 35, 18.
Fast boy. Yeah. But now people are really gonna be scared of racing. Even more.
Good.
This thing's sick, like F80 on some Advance. I don't know what they're doing to it, but it looks clean. It's like sick with the new wheels on it. Damn. So we got the Toyos on it with the wild wheel. These shits are gonna look crazy. He's going from like 21s to 18s, I think. Oh yeah. My boy needed new tires ASAP.
Damn. Ain't no way we're still racing like this.
That's why you almost hit me that one day. Damn.
Yeah, you see a bigger tire, bro.
That shit looks crazy. Damn. It's gonna look sick once you put the fatter tire on there. Oh, it definitely needs a fatter tire, but you guys get the look he's going for. That shit looks crazy. Look how bad his tires were, bro. So terrible. That shit's sketchy.
Sketchy as shit.
And he was trying to race people like this, guys. She has no grip.
That shit.
It looks like it's hooking better. But what if I made some FindingNick masks?
Bro, you should. Some FindingNick push icy mask.
It'd be sick.
Hit some licks with it.
Break all the laws.
We're gonna hit a lick on YouTube for demonetizing your videos.
We have to, bro.
Bro.
Guys, they've been demonetizing all my videos on YouTube.
They don't want to see
You can't even post that. That'll probably get demonetized, I swear. I don't know why YouTube's so soft now, bro. This looks pretty sick, bro. Look at that.
We just gotta get a fatter tire in the back.
Nah, they came off of a 340.
Yeah,
So G80s are way wider, bro. Alright, guys, now it's oil change time. Damn, you can smell all the 85, bro.
GTR?
Let's do it. Maybe some upgraded turbos. My boy Jay got the bread.
We're munching.
And we're done, guys. Oil change is done. Finally, bro. I was way overdue, but the boys here got the oil done. Liquid moly. That was pretty cool. I've never seen that. The oil was in there, the liquid moly. And they put the oil from there into the car, which is pretty crazy. Jay, bro. It looks like a shooter right now. Guys, look at all the cars in here. G80, F80, Carboneers. What's that, Hellcat? Damn. Look at this crazy ass Supra, bro. It low-key looks like Gustavo's old car when it was red with the tire on the back. Done with the PQ. Shout out to them for hooking up on the oil change. And look who else is here. The boys from New York, bro. But he leaves tomorrow already. We almost wrapped my GTR this weekend, guys. He told me, but I'm the one who said no. But he wanted to take off my wrap and start a new wrap.
Nick might have a new exclusive color.
Maybe. We're talking, guys. We might do a special color on the GTR. My own color. Maybe. That's all I'm gonna say. You like Jason's wheel setup on the back? That's pretty sick. That's faster. You are gonna be scared to race from now on.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.